Hey, Python enthusiasts. Today we've got something fun lined up for you. A maze game with a built-in depth-first search solver using Pygame. We'll take a deep dive into the code, understand how it works, and witness the maze-solving magic unfold. Let's jump right into it. We kick things off by defining essential colors and setting the dimensions of our maze grid. Each cell in the grid can be open, blocked, or part of the solution path. Pygame is initialized, and the display window is configured. We create the maze grid with designated start and end points. Our maze-solving journey begins with a depth-first search algorithm. As it traverses the maze, it marks visited cells and backtracks when necessary. The algorithm's progress is visually depicted by highlighting the explored cells. Players can take control using the arrow keys to navigate through the maze. Movement is restricted by maze boundaries and blocked cells. Utilizing Pygame, we draw the maze grid, obstacles, and the player's position on the display window. Upon reaching the exit, a congratulations message is displayed. The script gracefully exits after a 10-second pause, allowing players to savor their victory. And there you have it, a Python maze game with a depth-first search solver using Pygame. I hope you enjoyed unraveling the code and that this tutorial sparks new ideas. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Python content. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.